Hey guys, Scott Willingham, Precision Foundation Repair and Concrete Lifting here. I am near downtown Fort Worth. I'm in a industrial complex that has recently been purchased by some investors who are coming in and fixing these buildings up and creating construction type of space here. They're doing a really nice job, but we've run into some buildings here that have some settlement issues. This is the back of the building, which sits right next to the railroad tracks. I have no idea what this building was used for prior, but we've got some pretty serious settlement. You can see at the outside edge of this building, here's my iPad to give you scale. So we've got a pretty solid 6 or 7 inches of settlement in much of this. So their options, they've got two options. They could come in here and demo all this concrete. There's actually more of the building on the other side of that door. They could demo all of this, compact all the soils, haul in soils, compact those soils, bring in new concrete, which would be quite a chore because of the railroad tracks, there's no access back here on the side of the building. So you have to come all the way from up there with your concrete. They could do that. Number one, it's going to be way more expensive than having us come in and pump poly underneath here. It's going to take longer. And it's gonna be a lot messier. Other option would be to come in here and put a series of either helical or steel push piers, which would require coring a series of 8 to 12 inch holes on about 6 to 8 foot centers. Could certainly do it that way. Definitely would be more expensive. Again, take longer, more invasive. And then honestly, with this much settlement that they're seeing here, there's a good chance that much or all of it's also going to have poly in it to fill the void space between each pier so that the slabs don't get point loaded and break. So there are options, but poly is certainly the best option in a situation like this. We can come in and you can see out here at the wall where this is a pretty good example. This is settled about 2.5 inches here. They have already re-poured this slab years ago, and it's resettling already back over here. So not always a great option to re-pour. So we'll come in, we'll address all this settlement. This entire project will probably take us 3 days to come in here and get all this lifted back up and be ready to finish their build out and rent this thing out. So yet another good project for Poly. Just want to kind of show you guys another pretty cool one. Have a good day.